Welcome to another episode of the Golden Spirit Homestead. Hey, good morning, gang. I'm sitting here waiting on my buddy to come out. We're gonna load up and we're headed up to the property this morning. We're gonna be up there a couple of days, try to get some of these projects that I got knocked out. All right, we're waiting on Scotty to come out of the house, get loaded up, and then we'll be on the road. Hey, what's going on? I got the Unk in the back. It's my guy, my brother. So we finally made it up here at the land. We're just kind of getting settled in. Man, it feels good. It feels good. The last time that I came up here, I wasn't able. It was just a turnaround trip, and it was so hard for me to leave with these projects that I got to get taken care of. But I got my strong help with me now. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna kind of. Normally, y'all know when I touch down, I'd be like, all right, time to get to work. Right now, I'm just gonna relax, enjoy a little bit of peaceful time with my brother, and probably in a little bit, get on the first project, which is the storage shed. I'll take you over there and let you see what that looked like. So here's the shed. Like I said, as you can see, the poles and everything, this was just something I threw up, and I was trying to use it the best that I could, because it wasn't really designed, the frame itself, right, wasn't designed right. That's probably why everything ended up tearing up. It's kind of like anything else. If you don't have the right foundation, nothing is going to be right. So our goal today is we're going to get this taken down. I'm not going to get it taken all apart. I'm going to get this one moved out, hopefully get the new one put in place, and then I'll figure out where I'm going to use this frame, because I'm going to use the frame, put a different half tarp on top, and probably put it somewhere over there to cover up stuff. But that's what we're gonna do. We ain't gonna get busy right now. Like I said, we're gonna relax for a little bit, but when we do get to work, I'll bring you along. Maybe. No, we'll bring you along. Right out here. So me and my bro, we've been just kind of hanging out. We did a few things, nothing really major to record. One of the things that we did do, as you can see behind me, we got the trailer moved over here closer to the main campsite, so that when I start doing projects, it's not that far. So we moved it over here, which is a lot closer. It's kind of what I say, hidden in between all these trees, and also it'll be protected from the wind. But the main camp is right here, so it's not that far of a walk for me when I start working on this, getting this thing put back together. I don't have to walk from way back there. So that was one of the things that I wanted to do. So we got it moved. We got it level, got stands under it, got it level. So I feel really good about having that secure. Another thing that we did is we had a wonderful lunch. So we sat down and had lunch. Right now it's about 3 o'clock, so we still got some time to get some work. As you can see, there's some clouds. It feels wonderful. It's wonderful up here. So now what we're about to do is start working on this little shed area. So as you can see, this is the shed. I've got all the old tarps torn down. What we're about to do now is I'm gonna move this frame out of here, and then start putting the new frame together. It looks like the kit is right here. This is the kit that I'm going to be putting in. I got the box all torn apart. Let me see if I can get the top of it. Is this the top? Nope, that's the bottom. But it's a 10 by 15 by 8. If y'all can read upside down. That's what it is. So, like I said, new framing. We're going to get all of this put together and see if we can get this put up. All right. So my bro,
You're recorded right now.
yeah, so my bro, we're working on new technology for me to use out here. Golden Spirit Homestead. It's not new. Everybody else has been using it, but I'm gonna start getting some drone footage. So, hey, good morning. Well, yesterday we were kind of busy. We got a lot done. We wanted to get that shed done, and honestly, we was just kind of spending time hanging out, just enjoying the moment of being up here. Today, we're going to finish up the shed, and then we're going to get involved into some other things. Just kind of really enjoy the day. So, grab your coffee, grab a chair, pull up close, hang out with us. Let's get this day going. What's going on? Well, we got all the I should say we got all the important work done. And so now we're just gonna hang out and enjoy the rest of the time that's up here. I've got some small things to do, but nothing major. But let me show you what we got done. So this is the new, I guess my little tarp shed. So it's got it all reinforced. I feel good about this one. We were able to do this one the right way. You come in, you can buy these. You can get them either online or you can get them at Harbor Freight. I was fortunate enough to get this one off that little auction website that I go on. But for the most part, it was a gamble because I had an old one. What we had to end up doing, some of the poles, some of the parts we didn't have, so I had to use my old one. And you can see that one over there that's torn down. That was from the old one, so we took some parts from that to get this one complete. So I was able to get it complete. I'm happy with how it looks. And now it's more sturdy. And hopefully the wind doesn't beat it up as quickly as it did the other one. Another thing we got done, I got my windmill back up. So that'll be working again and able to generate power. So we got that and got it anchored in pretty good. I'm pleased about that. And then the last thing, there's something missing. That little fire pit that was right there, ended up moving that and using the rocks for the side of this. So that's where we are. We got the work done. What we're gonna do now, I'll take you along. We're gonna go out on the backside of the state land and we're gonna do a little target shooting. Yeah. All righty, we got to the location. Right now, what we're gonna do is set up targets, and we're gonna have some fun.
Looking forward to it. Let's go.
right. Man, we got the sunset behind us.
Yep.
We got some food on the grill. this has been a pretty good trip. All in all, just coming up here, getting the property ready. Now that it's starting to cool off, just getting it back in order. So the next time that I come up here, it shouldn't be, I can get right to the projects that I want to do. But I got a lot done. We got a lot, with the movement of the camper, the storage room, getting my windmill done. It was just a lot. Cleaning up around here. It was cool. So, y'all know, that's going to do it for this episode of the Golden Spear Homestead. Like I always say, if you guys made it this far, smash that like button. Hit subscription. Hit notification so that you know when we upload the next video. And I thank you for your support. I really do. Thank you guys. Thank my bro for coming up, helping me get through this weekend. It was a lot of work, and he put in a lot, and we had fun. Hopefully this won't be the last time that he comes up, which I'm pretty sure it won't be. But with that, you guys, on behalf of us, you guys all be blessed, and we'll catch you on the next episode of the Golden Spear Homestead.
Be safe.
Peace. Be safe.